The U.S. Air Force, as one of the world's foremost military powers, has consistently been a pioneer in innovation and technology throughout its history. From the moment the Wright brothers achieved powered flight in 1903 to the development of modern aircraft and drones, the Air Force has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is achievable in aviation. Their most recent creation is no exception, as the U.S. Air Force has unveiled an advanced technology that promises to revolutionize warfare and have far-reaching implications beyond the military realm. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this cutting-edge invention, whose capabilities are nothing short of astonishing. While the concept of tactical ultra-short pulsed lasers has been around since the 1970s, the U.S. Air Force has taken this technology to a whole new level. They have successfully transformed it into a revolutionary and highly versatile weapon system that can be seamlessly integrated into various military platforms. This enhanced laser technology, though still in its prototype phase, has already undergone a series of successful tests and is poised to be deployed in the field in the near future. Let's take a closer look at the mechanics of this remarkable laser. The tactical ultra-short pulsed laser is incredibly potent, boasting a peak intensity that can reach up to 1,000,000 times higher than the sun. This super advanced laser is compact and portable, allowing military personnel to carry it easily into the field. When activated, the laser generates a series of ultra-short pulses directed towards its target. These pulses are unlike anything seen before, as they are so fast and intense that they can effortlessly cut through steel and other materials. But this laser isn't just a weapon. It can also serve non-lethal purposes, such as disabling electronic devices or blinding enemy combatants. It employs a high-energy beam of light to deliver precise and powerful strikes on its target. This beam is so intense that it can cut through metal, shatter glass, and even disable electronic systems in a matter of seconds. What sets this laser apart is its incredibly short pulse duration, measured in femtoseconds and picoseconds, which makes it exceptionally fast. For comparison, a femtosecond is 1/4,000,000th of a second. This rapid pulse duration gives the laser the ability to cut, weld, and melt materials with unparalleled precision, all without causing heat damage to the surrounding area. This level of precision makes it suitable for a wide range of military applications, including target identification, ranging, and the disabling or destruction of enemy equipment. When this laser is fired, its energy is rapidly absorbed by the targeted material, causing it to heat up and expand. What's even more fascinating is the ripple effect it triggers after impact. The expansion resulting from the laser's impact sets off a shockwave that travels through the material, creating a small explosion on the surface. This shockwave removes a small amount of material from the surface, resulting in a clean and precise cut. During the series of tests conducted with this cutting-edge laser technology, it has displayed remarkable precision and effectiveness, leading experts to believe that it will revolutionize not only the military, but also various other industries. To understand how this laser achieves such remarkable power and speed, we need to examine its fundamental workings. It all begins with the creation of a gain medium, a special material that amplifies the laser's energy. This gain medium is excited by an electrical current, causing it to emit photons or particles of light. These photons then pass through a series of mirrors and lenses that shape and focus the laser beam into an ultra-short and concentrated pulse. But that's just the beginning. This tactical ultra-short pulsed laser offers advanced features such as adjustable pulse duration and energy levels, making it adaptable for a wide range of applications. This laser's extremely short pulse duration allows it to achieve exceptionally high peak powers, reaching the order of petawatts. To put this in perspective, it's about 1,000,000 times more powerful than the total power output of the entire human race. What further distinguishes this laser technology from the U.S. Air Force is its ability to perform nonlinear optical processes. This means it can interact with matter in ways that traditional lasers cannot, such as generating high-energy photons and creating plasma from solid materials. The possibilities for this technology are beyond exciting, and experts predict that its future applications will be even more groundbreaking. The military applications of this new technology are virtually limitless. It could be used to neutralize enemy drones, disable enemy vehicles, disrupt enemy communications, or serve various other tactical purposes. Its operational range extends up to a mile, making it suitable for a wide range of scenarios. Moreover, the Air Force's new laser technology can be mounted on different platforms, including ground vehicles, aircraft, and ships, making it one of the most versatile military weapons ever developed. This dynamic capability makes the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser an invaluable tool for any military operation. According to U.S. military experts, the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser represents a game-changing technology that will redefine how America defends its territory and safeguards its citizens. The laser utilizes high-power fibers composed of specialized materials, which enhance its beam's power and precision significantly. These fibers are constructed from specially coated materials that amplify the light as it passes through them. As a result, the laser beam can travel at speeds of up to 300 million meters per second, making it nearly impossible to evade or counter. This capability allows the laser to deliver vastly more powerful and precise strikes than traditional lasers. Additionally, the abundant light energy conducted by these high-power fibers greatly enhances the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser's effectiveness in non-lethal capacities, such as temporarily disabling adversaries during combat without causing permanent harm. Another remarkable feature of this laser is its adaptive optics technology. It enables the laser to adjust its own beam to compensate for atmospheric distortions, ensuring that it remains focused and accurate over long distances. This adaptability is especially crucial in situations where conditions can change dramatically. Moreover, this technology allows the laser to generate ultra-short pulses with precise spatial and temporal control, making it suitable for remote sensing applications. The Air Force's new laser can also adjust its wavelength, a critical capability due to the fact that different materials absorb different wavelengths of light. By tuning its wavelength, the laser can effectively target a wide range of materials, optimizing its performance for various scenarios. For instance, it can match the absorption spectrum of a specific material or minimize energy absorption by the atmosphere, thus maintaining its intensity over long distances. Furthermore, the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser offers multiple beam configurations. In its multi-beam modes, this advanced laser can target multiple threats simultaneously with remarkable accuracy and precision. The U.S. Air Force has also incorporated a beam sweep mode, which allows the laser to rapidly scan an area and target multiple threats in a short span. This capability proves particularly valuable in situations with numerous threats, as it enables the laser to eliminate them swiftly and efficiently. In the eyes of U.S. military experts, the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser's various beam configurations set it apart from every other laser technology ever developed. However, like any high-energy weapon, this advanced laser generates significant heat, which could damage the system and reduce its effectiveness. To address this, the weapon system comes equipped with advanced cooling systems that ensure it operates at peak efficiency. These cooling systems use a combination of air and liquid cooling technologies to remove heat from the laser. Air cooling employs fans to circulate air around the laser components, while liquid cooling employs a special coolant to transfer heat away from the laser. Importantly, the laser can adjust its cooling level based on the heat it generates, maximizing its efficiency while conserving energy. The pinnacle of this laser's advanced functionality lies in its control systems. The tactical ultra-short pulsed laser is equipped with advanced control systems that enable remote and automatic operation. These control systems consist of several components working in concert to ensure the laser operates at its optimal level. The laser energy control system regulates the amount of energy transmitted through the laser, maintaining it within the desired range. It also monitors the laser's temperature to ensure it remains within the optimal operating range. The beam quality control system maintains the quality of the laser beam, ensuring it remains focused and stable. It detects any deviations in the beam and makes real-time adjustments to preserve its quality. Lastly, the beam pointing control system ensures the laser beam is consistently directed toward the intended target. It employs sensors and algorithms to track the laser's position and orientation, making necessary adjustments to maintain accuracy. Collectively, these advanced control systems empower the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser to deliver a highly focused and stable beam of energy with remarkable accuracy. It's no wonder that this laser technology has swiftly become an indispensable part of the U.S. Air Force's arsenal. Not only is it a potent weapon, but it's also highly efficient and cost-effective, requiring minimal maintenance and boasting a long lifespan. As we look to the future, the potential of the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser is boundless. Its continuous evolution and improvement are set to make it an even more integral component of the U.S. military's arsenal. While we can't predict every application this technology will find, one thing is certain: it is a technology to watch closely, as it has the power to redefine warfare and extend its influence beyond the battlefield. As we dive into the future of laser technology, what's next on the horizon that could reshape our world? For more mind-blowing tech insights and discoveries, subscribe to our YouTube channel now. Stay updated, hit that subscribe button, and join us on this amazing journey. Let's explore the frontiers of science and tech together.